So this happens a lot. Guys say, oh, if you had a washing machine that had a bigger drum, you'd do fewer loads. Well, the thing is, this is about a week, and we're all about out of clothes. This is one of these stuff. This is about a week's worth of t-shirts for just Nat and I. This is special stuff, like gets its own cycle, nothing in there right now. And this is towels and socks and things that are going to be washed in hot. So we have three temps, basically: cold, warm, and hot. And I wouldn't mix these together just because I have the space, because I could fit all this in here now, maybe even the towels, but I'm not going to wash all that together. That makes no sense for the fabric care you're supposed to give it. So that's why it doesn't matter. After a certain size, it doesn't matter anymore. If I could fit 2 beds in here at once, that'd be cool. That'd be great. But I've not found a home unit that could do that, that has an internal heater that can sustain 60. So there's a caveat to even the biggest drums. They have to be able to sanitize. So that's the quick explanation of why I'm perfectly happy with this size, even though there's units that have a slightly larger drum. They don't necessarily have the same performance, and I don't do laundry in a way where I just jam it all into one thing and go. I take care of each set of fabrics in its own temperature, and soap. I've got soap for color, soap for black and white, specific oxy soap down there as well. So the detergent gets matched to the load.